question in this paper is a stem and leaf diagram question, which are really nice questions because once you know the method, then it's quite easy to do the same thing each time you see a question like this. The first thing you have to do is look at the first 2 digits of each number and find the smallest number out of these, which we see is 15. And then we look for the largest, which is 19. And then we can go and write them down in here like this. 17, 18 and 19. That's the first thing you do. Then you look for all the 15s and you go, okay, so we've got 1 here and 1 here. So we go down and we put the numbers in order, 6, 9. Then we make sure that we cross them off once you've used them. Then move on to the 16s. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we've got quite a few, but we just go methodically through. And then we look, there's only 6s. No, there isn't. We've got 2 7s. 7, 7. There's an 8 and there's a 9. And then we just go through and cross off all the ones we've used. I mean, you can cross them off as soon as you use them, which is probably a slightly better idea, but it does take longer. Okay, 7s. We've got 7, 7. Okay, so we've got 2. I'm going to cross them off each time this time. 3. We've got 2 6s. We've got an 8. And we've got a 9. Okay, 8s. We've got a 0, a 3, and an 8. Remember, these numbers have to be put in order. So if anything, this is more of like a brain processing exercise, I always think. Oh, we've also got a 2 to try and fit in. Miss that. Okay, then we've got the 9s, so we've got a 0 and a 2. Now, the reason you cross them off is you can then see if you've missed anything. Now, it looks like here we've missed out an 8. If I quickly check through again. Okay, it's got to cross it off. Then that's perhaps why it's best to cross them off as you go, rather than crossing off at the end. Okay. Now this question is not done yet. There's 2 things we need to do. Firstly, the question tells us we've got the height of 20 men. If you need to count up these numbers, make sure we've got 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. So we've included all the data in our chart. We also have to draw a key. This is very important. The 3rd mark will always be for a key. So you write along the side, key. Sorry about that. Key. Then choose any number. Again, you just choose the first one. Put the 1, 5, line 6, which as it appears, equals 156. So if someone was really, really dumb and knew nothing about GCSE maths, they'd be able to look at this and go, oh, that means 156, rather than that means 15 and 6. Okay, part B. Work out the percentage of men with a height greater than 184 centimetres. So 2 marks. Right. So the fact this is like a part B after processing the data shows that we'll have to use this information that we've created in this form to solve this. And so the way we go about doing this is finding how many are greater than 184 centimetres. 1, 2, 3, because that one's less. And these will all put in order, yeah? we've got 3 out of 20, which if we times the top and bottom by 5, we get 15 out of 100. And since the percentage means out of 100, this is 15%. Yay!